Hello guys, we are going to start this beautiful wigs of ours. So to keep watching and see how it's been done, keep watching. So just a lace frontal wig. I can show you the front and the back. I'm just going to take the pin out and show you guys how it looks. So this is how the wig looks. Okay. See? So we're going to style it. I'm going to teach you guys how to style your wig before wearing it. Okay? So let's get started. Put the wig on the mannequin hair. The first thing you do. So when you're doing your starting, you will need stuff, okay? So what I recommend is I use this to blow dry it. I'll show you the link below. This one, a little bit to flat iron the hair if you want to flat iron it. You need a round brush and a blow dryer. So let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna put it there so it doesn't dirty my cupboard. And you definitely need your wash stick, your hot comb. This one to also help press the hair down, and your curler. Okay, so let's get started. This is our beautiful mannequin hair. So what I'm going to do, first thing first, I don't know if you can see the whole length of the hair. Maybe I should push it back like that. Take the first section, get your clips and put it up. Up. Take your best product. You need a tiny little bit. I don't know if you can see a tiny little bit. Just a little bit. Apply in the hair. Get a blow dryer on your favorite hand. I get it in my left hand, and this is my right hand. Blow dry. As you can see, this is how it looks. Now you can decide where section you want to put your. So after you're done the blow drying, it will look like this. Very nice looking blow drying, right? So you can see the body. See, it has a lot of body in it because after you did the blow drying. I'll show you guys what next to do. Yeah.
Which kind? Like a small comb?
Mm-hmm. Next will be pressing the front. Just get your hot comb. Always have your hot comb here ready before, guys. Do you see what I'm doing? Let me show you. You grab your comb, put it in, okay, and then use the back to flat iron. The back is the one that's gonna do the job for you. Take, go in and go back. Grab your wash stick and apply it there. The wax here help to keep flyaways. It also help to make the head down flat, and it make the head look silky and beautiful. That's what the wax stick is good for. So we're gonna do the curling. We're gonna curl this back curl. So let me push it back a little bit. Drop the hair again. Go to the section. I feel we should divide it. It's easier if you divide it into two. This one's will go there. But this one's will go on this side. Okay, you ready, guys? So you grab your curly one, and we're gonna go everything going up, up. Grab it. This is optional if you want. You don't want to, you don't have to. If you do want, you put it there. But I don't want to. Okay, you take it. We're gonna go like this. Okay, so make sure your hand is up. Grab it, go under. Make sure you put a heat over the hair. Grab it and go this way. So this is have to be on the top. Take it and go like that. Do you see?
You pause it? You turn off?
So this one turn off.
Huh? Turn it off?
No.
Mom. And this video is long. Come on.
Sorry guys. So this is the top. Okay? Top, top. Do 1, 2, 3. So this is how it looks, right, guys, when you're done curling it. This is what it should looks like. Okay, make sure you got the back of it. I'm gonna take it off the mannequin here and show you guys. See that? So make sure the first one go down so that it goes like that. It goes over like that. So this is how you curl your hair, your wig, before you put it on your head. Okay, so if you do want to comb it out, let me show you how to comb it out. Okay, so grab your big comb. This is the Moroccan oil brand. So we're gonna comb it out. So when you comb it out, start from the bottom. I feel like I should just hold the mannequin. It's not doing me justice. Just hold the hair and then comb it down like that. So you see, like that. So I hope you guys saw the length out thing from this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell, so when I upload a video, you'll be knowing. Look at how beautiful she looks. Look at that. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay out of trouble. Bye.